Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to change Roblox language on PC. What you need to do, first just go to roblox.com and log in your account. After that, just click in the settings icon on the top right. After that, settings. And then when you scroll down, you see here language, English. Just click here and just select, just click here and just you can select any language. After that, after you select the language, just click save. This is what you need to do if you want to change Roblox language on PC. I hope this video is helpful, and don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel if you are not subscriber yet. Thank you and see you.